What's up, guys? I'm back with some Buldak. I think y'all already knew that. Y'all, I'm sorry. I know it's in this Buldak sauce, but I forgot my hot sauce. I have to have my hot sauce for my sauce. And you already know I gotta have some more of this. Y'all know I gotta have some more of this Buldak. All right, y'all. I got some water. I'm back on my core journey. So yeah. Amen. Yeah, I pray different at different times every video, so mind y'all business. But how y'all doing today? Oh my gosh, y'all, this is so good, but it's so spicy. I need y'all to let me know in the comments what y'all be wanting me to eat next. Y'all know I'm gonna eat some Buldak. Y'all already know that. It's like when you don't have them for a long time, they taste spicier and they taste better. So what's up? Y'all ready to get y'all taxes? I know y'all want them taxes now. Somebody told me I should do the utensil no utensil challenge again. Believe it or not, I like eating messy. I don't care. I don't give a fuck. If y'all ain't got no Buldak, y'all better go get some. Walmart carry them now and everything. There's no way y'all should have none if y'all like them. Yeah, I got my fork just in case I get tired of using these chopsticks. Yeah, I'm so ready for the summer. I got so much stuff in my hand playing. Oh, and playing. And also, I am starting back making cases this summer. So if anybody want to shop, y'all can definitely shop. I fell off a little bit. But I always can come back. Don't worry about it. I had to fall off. Everybody get knocked off their pivot every once in a while. Eh. Mm. Y'all, my kids is upstairs. I don't know if y'all can hear them or not. The microphone might be blanking them out. They blanked them out yesterday. Should have made me some sauce. Some seafood boil sauce from the eggs. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Get y'all some water. Five. getting dry at the top. I use my fork. Y'all love me some Buldak. Can't tell me nothing about a Buldak. Anyways, what's y'all plans for Valentine's Day? I don't know what my plans are, but I know I am getting dressed. That's what my boyfriend told me, so I know that for a fact. So yeah, surprise, surprise. What are y'all doing, ladies? Did y'all plan out y'all dates, or is y'all man planning? Yeah, I'm about to start using my fork. I am about to get back into YouTube, so tune in to more videos on there. Dang, now that I have so much of this Buldak sauce, it seems like it tastes better on my eggs than the regular hot sauce. Because I usually love me some Red Frank's hot sauce. I mean, it's all over the place. Woo! Woo! My mouth is on fire. And I'm still sitting here thinking about pouring some more of this sauce on there. The Buldak sauce. Why didn't I give y'all a bite? How stingy of me. Whew. That's so crazy. Wow. Yeah, I'm getting full. I'm getting full, y'all. Wow. Well, this is a lot of noodles, I'm not gonna lie, but I used to be able to eat all of them. For some reason, my stomach got smaller. I swear. I be thinking my stomach got smaller or something. I was just telling my boyfriend that I think it really got smaller. Like, I was eating some Popeye's chicken the other day. Tell me why I was only able to eat the leg. I'm like, oh yeah, something wrong. Oh, sorry, y'all keep messing with my microphone because it keeps slipping. My clamp is broke. But y'all know I can't never leave without drinking this juice either. So it's either I'm gonna finish and drink the juice, or I'm not gonna finish and I'm gonna drink the juice. What y'all think? Should I drink the juice? My hands is clean, by the way. So for the people that like to talk stuff, my hands is definitely clean. So mind your business. Sorry, I ain't get no paper towels. I should have. I think we out. It's my food, not yours. And for those who are not on my TikTok, go follow me. It's Lala Eats 1. Whew. Let's go have some fun over there too. I don't have to stay on YouTube. Let's go have some fun on TikTok. I know I've been knocked out for a minute, but we're gonna get back up there, y'all. So, and this is the year. 2026 is my year. Mine's. And I'm claiming it. Sorry, y'all. It's starting to get messy. Well, it's messy, y'all. I think I got this with the juice. Oh my goodness. I just washed my hands, so I'm gonna say that again. For those who like to talk stuff. Excuse me. Y'all, let me some cold water. Ooh, ooh, who, gone, say, some. I'm just playing. I missed y'all. I miss waking up every day seeing y'all comments. Miss it like crazy. Miss it like crazy. Yeah, I'm sure. I know I'm not paying. I know I'm not looking at the camera like that. I'm trying not to drop so much. I already dropped some. Woo! Take the wheel. Uh-oh. There go my nose. Yeah, I'm goofy. Y'all get to know more and more of me as long as y'all here. Stick by my side. And we can be friends. I'm still getting it everywhere. Excuse me. I said excuse me. Don't start that. Y'all know I gotta drink the juice. Hey. I went down the wrong pipe. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, I really should have got some tissue. I'm sorry, y'all. Next time, I'm gonna have my paper towels ready. This is y'all. Okay, now I'm deuces.